What are we doing, guys? Here it goes.
Okay. Here we go.
Which way? Yeah, it's not going to fall on me, is it?
Dad, let me cut it.
I'm just getting it started. Okay.
Who wants to try?
I'm first. I want it. Dad, how do you cut?
Saw.
No, you gotta keep it in there.
Why?
Huh?
There's no use to it. No. I'll make a cut, don't worry.
Okay, next.
No, let me.
No.
Woo! I'm not.
Okay, ready?
I have to gab. No, I'm not 7.
Okay, be nice, guys.
Say cheese.
You're last.
Okay. who's
Hey,
next?
Kaiten. Come, we're recording them being mean to each other.
Grab it.
Hey,
and pull
Kate,
it.
you
Right,
just
just
cut
two hands.
it up.
Two hands.
It's the life of
There
three
you go.
boys.
You cut it. Dad, Kate's cutting.
Hey,
Saw
no,
that
cut.
tree down.
No, I'm. Gavin, I was behind him.
Owen, look at me real fast. Say cheese.
Okay.
Hold on. Say cheese, Owen. Hey, can you lift that branch up, Evan? Evan, lift that branch just a little. There we go. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Good job.
Okay.
Evan's turn.
Mr. Evan.
Kaiten, don't push or hit.
It's
not
my
nice.
turn again. Gavin's turn.
Did you have a turn already, Kaiten?
Yeah.
Did you, Gavin?
It's going to take a long time to cut this.
Cohen, you want a turn?
This is not, Dad, that's enough.
You want a turn?
Evan, say cheese. Hold on, Evan. Hold on to the saw. Say cheese.
Cohen, I didn't get up.
Good job.
Is Cohen coming?
Cohen, you want a turn?
We're going to do the last
Okay.
one.
He said he's good. Whoop,
Huh?
whoop. He said he's good.
Okay.
That's closer.
Are you watching?
Okay.
No, let me. Hey, Kayan.
No.
What are you guys going to say?
Watch it. It's almost there.
Kayan, it's my turn.
I think it'll be easier going back on that side of the
No, I just
Okay,
opened.
next.
what we came.
And
The
then,
little path we
and
came.
then me.
Whoa.
Hey.
Watch out, Gav. The tree's coming your way.
Watch out, Chinzel. I want you to get it fell on. My turn, Dad.
Okay, let Owen. No, Owen hasn't had two turns yet.
No, Gavin. Oh.
Can you do it? Pull it. Whoop.
Oh, it's close. I think it's going to fall towards me, actually. Honey, you should try catching it because it's going to hit all these and tear up the...
Oh, it was fine.
This is a good tree for me.
Okay, you're going to cut it down and it's going to fall and it's going to break branches.
Well, come catch it. So I can finish. I can't cut
Here,
it.
Shanta,
Catch
can
it.
you hold this?
Dad, my turn. Go ahead.
No, I'm gonna finish it.
I will watch it. Go ahead. Can I sit by you, Dad? Well, shot, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Oh yeah!
Honey, it's coming. Ready?
Watch out, Owen, whoever's right here.
Okay.
Hit it that way and hold it. Right? Oh, watch.
Mom is
Tell
dead.
Gavin, watch out.
I'm wide.
Watch out, Gavin and Owen, move.
Nice catch.
I just stepped in that water.
Let's go.
My foot is
Everyone say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Good thing it's not cold. All right, cut these off so you can kind of get a hold of it on your shoulder.
Hey guys, let me up. Hey guys, I found the little bridge. Yeah. Whoa, hold on to these. You're about to fall. Like I did. Like, whoa. Whoa. Now, hold on to that. Chantel, give me a hand. And you're going to have to hold on to
Okay. So we're going to hike it on our shoulders.
Adele!
We're not going to get both of them at the same time. Me and you're going to come back to the other one.
Probably.
So when we get to the other
Your
one...
jacket unstuck.
Rescue!
Hey, everyone, you can stop recording now.
All right, so it's your pant leg, Evan. Shake your leg.
You guys, we're gonna go that way, around the river.
Huh?
That way.